Carson Lambos and their captain Cam Crotty on the blue line. Wild get the first handle of the puck, and McKeck. Now Liam Ogren into the ozone, slips it in for Boyd. Boyd to the slot. Jones a shot, save. Work ahead for Clark. Clark gave it up. Alexandrov loose in front. Save, rebound, he scores! Jones, Boyd again in front. Ogren one-timer, he scores in the Wild. Back to the point, Skinner, a one-time cranker, save, Halavai! And he was able to... On to Alexandrov. Nicky surveys in the slot. Pekka one times, he scores! Corner with it. Otto Stenberg out, Loof fanned on the one-timer. But he'll keep it alive. McGing, a cross-ice pass comes into the slot. Keep it in the zone. Spot check on the left. Ogren with it again. Ogren shooting again, and he scores. Now walks the line of Rister. Halavai the save. Rebound. Oh, another save. Third try. Oh, what a... Haight in the corner, hit by Skinner. Hunter Skinner up the wall. Alexandrov will get it safely to center. Across to Pekka, up to McEachran. Mackenzie McEachran with the empty net, score! Perhaps a bit of Ellis as well. Madden on the left wing wall. Out at the blue line, turns and fires. Loof blocks it. Loop ahead for Andonovski, the net empty again. Alexandrov misses the empty net, but the game is over. And the T-Birds have lowered their magic number to 8. There's just over a minute left in Providence. If that score holds up with the Bruins in front, the T-Birds' magic number could be down to 6. We'll keep tabs on that and wrap this one up when we return. T-Birds hockey brought to you by MGM Springfield.